Welcome! Today we'll solve a challenging trigonometry problem, calculating the tangent of the inverse cosine of negative 3/5. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's make this easier to understand by letting theta equal cosine inverse of negative 3/5. This means that cosine of theta equals negative 3/5. Let's visualize this with a right triangle. Since cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse and equals negative 3/5, this means we're in the second quadrant where cosine is negative. Now recall that tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of theta equals 4 over negative 3. Let's verify this is correct using the Pythagorean theorem. If the adjacent side is 3 and the opposite side is 4, then the hypotenuse must be 5, since 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25, and 5 is the square root of 25. Therefore, the value of tangent of cosine inverse of negative 3/5 equals negative 4/3. This problem demonstrates how visualizing with a right triangle and using basic trigonometric relationships can help solve complex trig expressions.